Barangay Hongkong. Many may not know this place, but it's filled with life, beauty, and a welcoming community. Here at Barangay Hongkong, we have various livelihoods. We have sari-sari stores scattered around, and Talipapa, with very energetic and kind vendors. Many also work in resorts and other businesses in the surrounding area. The community is known for its strong sense of togetherness and its commitment to maintaining a clean and ordered environment. You'll see that reflected in the well-kept homes and overall atmosphere of peace and harmony. Beside the stunning natural beauty, you'll find a growing number of resorts and businesses that cater to both locals and tourists. Places like Wagas Hotel and Resort, Hardin Private Resort, and Tarantino Farm and Villas offer a relaxing escape with comfortable accommodation and beautiful surroundings. Mongkok is more than just a place. It's a community that embraces progress, building a future while honoring the past. Our thriving resorts and businesses are a testament to our entrepreneurial spirit, a beacon of opportunity that shines brightly on our landscape.
Maria Sofia Tizon, your official candidate for Faces of Binangonan 2025. Okay, now let us call candidate number 2 for your casual interview. So, candidate number 2, sino dito ang mga gusto mong pasalamatan?
I would like to thank everyone that came here to support me, and that is my family and my friends. Thank you!
So, my question to you. Bilang isang kabataan, paano ka makakatulong sa pagpapanatili ng kaayusan ng kalikasan sa inyong barangay? Again, bilang isang kabataan, paano ka makakatulong sa pagpapanatili ng kalikasan sa inyong barangay?
If I could contribute to our barangay's cleanliness, that would be me being a role model to everyone. Being a role model to everyone. First is doing what I want my co-barangays to do. Because I know that if we work together, we can achieve the great things that we want for our beloved barangay. Because Barangay Mongkok is more than just a place. It's a family, a home, and it is where dreams start. I thank you. Maraming salamat.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. So let's move on to the promotional video of candidate number 3.
And I'm proud to represent Barangay Mahabang. Barangay Mahabang Baran is more than just a place. It's a community
Thank you so much for that promotional video. Now let us call on candidate number 3. So candidate number 3, ano ang nararamdaman mo ngayon?
I'm pretty nervous po. Pero nagtitake ako. So this is your question. Ano ang iyong advokasya na madadala para sa iyong barangay? Again, ano ang iyong advokasya na madadala para sa iyong barangay?
By working together to advocacy for positive challenge, Barangay Mahabang Parang can improve their ability in life and build the strength, humanity, unity, and also respect in our community. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. And now, we will proceed to the next candidate or the next promotional video.
I am Rosemary Laminalao, and this is one of the tourist spots in Barangay Bating.
Alright, now let us call the next candidate, candidate number 4. Yes, candidate number 4. Sino ang gusto mong pasalamatan ngayong gabi?
Una-una yung family ko na nandito especially yung handler ko na ginawa lahat para may rounds ko to
So my question is, bilang isang kandidata ng Faces of Binangonan, sa tingin mo, paano ka pa mas makakatulong sa pagpapaunlad palalo ng inyong barangay? Again, bilang isang kandidata ng Faces of Binangonan, sa tingin mo, paano ka pa mas makakatulong sa pagpapaunlad ng inyong barangay?
Makakatulong ako sa pamamagitan ng pagtupad sa mga patakaran ng aming barangay at magiging isang mabuting kabataan, at pagkakaroon ng kaalaman at magiging bukas isip sa mga nangyayari sa paligid natin, hindi lamang sa barangay. At yun lamang, maraming salamat. Again, I am Rosemary Laminalao, representing Barangay Batingan.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so
candidate
much.
number 4. And now, let us all proceed to our next promotional video.
Mabuhay! I am Shakira Diplomat Veteran 15 Barangay Makamot! Makamot is a barangay located between Barangay Tatala and Barangay Lara, and it has gateway in Bulacan and access road to Antipolo City. Makamot is one of the richest barangay when it comes to natural resources. That's why some of the livelihood here are planting, farming, and flowing. Discovery. The town was filled with St. Francis of Assisi Past, also known as the Banang Kawayan, established in 2011 and 6 as a religious center of 10 communities, including San Juan, Dalit, Santa Ana, Mountain View, Sunshine Fiesta, Mambo, Crystal Isabel, Upper Laguna, Cardinal, and Barangay Macau.
Charity is universal love. As Mother Teresa said, it's not how much we give, but it's how much love we put in giving. We, the people of Makamat, is known for our generosity and charitable activities.
Barangay Makamat is also known for its beautiful and affordable resorts. And one of its best and well-known resorts is Chachas Resort.
So be ready to mesmerize and in love with our Barangay Makamat. Again, this is Shakira de Bramonte Bantalan, your candidate number 5, representing Barangay